It is quite normal that along the time we need to upgrade or update the dependencies of our project. The good news here is that Composer allows us to easily update every dependency that our project has. This works very simple. If we check in our project, we can see the composer.json file. We can see here several packages that are required, along with others for the development environments normally. And here we can see the versions that we are requiring for these specific packages. Now, you can see some operators at the beginning of some of those versions. For example, for Homestead, we have 5.1 using the tilde here. Well, this tilde means that we can install whatever versions superior to the 5.1 but minor than the version 6.0. And this applies similarly here. We can install, for example, laravel Passport 2.1 or something like that, but not the version 3 if it comes in a future. In this way, we can be sure that we are not installing versions that can break the functionality of our project. So, how can we know the current version that we have for a package? So, let's imagine that we know that now is available the version 5.4.19 of the Laravel framework, and we don't know which version do we have. So if we go to the composer.log file and search for Laravel framework, we can see that currently we have the version 5.4.15. Now, how can we upgrade this? Well, we just need to go to our command prompt and issue composer update. Automatically, this is going to check the full list of our dependencies, looking for recent versions and install it if required. So now, as you can see here, there were installed several packages, including, of course, a new version for the Laravel framework. You can see this here. Of course, this list can change depending on the quantity of packages that must be installed or updated in your project in the moment that you execute this command. But as you can see here, we are installing, for example, now the version 5.4.19 of the Laravel framework. Now, if we go to check again in the composer.log file, we can see that now we have this new version installed. At this specific moment, you have installed the latest versions of all the packages that you need in your project. Very simple, and you can see how powerful is Composer to easily manage the dependencies of your project. Once we have this done, we know how to keep updated our project and continue in the next class. See you there.